Today our topic is basicity of amines. So last class we explained different factors which affect the basicity. Now today we will going to explain the remaining thing. Anyway, the strength of the basicity. What is meant by basicity? Basicity is the molecule, the tendency of a molecule to accept the proton. So here that is the measurement of tendency of a molecule to accept the proton. And here also normally the strength of the base can be determined with the help of Kb values. See, this is the amine, the primary amine, because it contains only one alkyl group. When it is dissolved in water, it is producing ion, cation and OH minus. See here, according to law of mass action, Kb is equal to, that is the products by the reactants. The products are RNH3 plus OH minus and R, the reactants RNH2 and H2O. Here the concentration of the H2O remains constant. The value of the H2O is constant. So that's why we omitted that H2O value, and whose concentration is constant. And that is the Kb is directly proportional to the concentration of amine. Here the OH minus, here the base is amine itself. So here it is the convenient way to calculate the OH minus to determine the Kb value. So here our point of concentration is on amine. Amine is basic in nature. So here if you calculate the OH minus ions in a solution, that is corresponding to the amine. So that's why here the Kb value is directly proportional to the concentration of, that is basicity of amine. If stronger the base, Kb values are more. If weaker the base, Kb value is less. So like that, based on the Kb value, what is Kb? Kb is nothing but the base dissociation constant. Base dissociation constant. Base dissociation constant. So this Kb value, or in case of carboxylic acid, we calculate the Ka value. K is nothing but the acid dissociation constant, and here the Kb is the base dissociation constant. Based on the Kb value, the strength of the base can be determined, whether it is a strong base or weak base or moderately base. That is determined. The strength is nothing but the strongness of base. Based on the Kb value, we can determine the strength of the base, whether the base is strong base or weak base. So amines are weaker bases than the OH minus, like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. And here, so here the Kb value is measured. And in case of amines, if you compare the amines with some other molecules, amines are more basic than the alcohols and ethers, and aliphatic amines are more basic than the ammonia, and aromatic amines are less basic than the ammonia. So the first statement is amines are more basic than the alcohols and ether. In this case, nitrogen or otherwise amines are more basic than the of course amine is more basic than the water, more basic than the amine. So ammonia is water. The reason is ammonia, it contains NH3. Ammonia is nothing but the NH3. If you compare this ammonia with the water molecule, ammonia, the nitrogen atom is less electronegative than the oxygen atom. In water molecule we have oxygen atom. In case of ammonia we have nitrogen atom. So here in case of water we have the oxygen atom. In case of amines we have the nitrogen atom. This nitrogen atom is less electronegative than the oxygen. In water molecule we have oxygen. So we know that oxygen is more electronegative than the nitrogen. So nitrogen, so what happened here? Nitrogen can better accommodate the positive charge than the oxygen atom. So that's why if nitrogen atom can better accommodate the positive charge, that means if nitrogen is reacted with the H plus ion, if nitrogen is reacted with the H plus ion, nitrogen is getting the positive charge. So that's why nitrogen can better accommodate the positive charge. If it is better accommodating the positive charge, nothing but it can better accept the proton compared to oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than the nitrogen. So oxygen is not accommodating the positive charge, and it is less acceptancy of proton than the nitrogen. So nitrogen is less electronegative. Either this one, nitrogen can better accommodate the positive charge. That means nitrogen can better accept the proton compared to oxygen atom. So here the definition is, if the basicity is depends on the basicity is nothing but the molecule is better accepting the proton, it is a it is a stronger base compared to the less acceptancy of proton. So here nitrogen is better accept the proton compared to oxygen atom. So that's why amine is more basic than the water. So aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia. The statement is here, aliphatic amines are more basic than the amines, ammonia. So aliphatic amines are nothing but aliphatic amines is nothing but. So here the straight molecule, see here the carbon is attached to the nitrogen. There is no aromatic ring here. This is the amine. This is the primary amine because we have only one alkyl chain. And when it is reacted with the hydrogen atom, and the bond between the nitrogen and hydrogen takes place in formation of ion. In case of ammonia, ammonia also accepting the proton and formation of cation takes place. Here the statement is aliphatic amines are more basic. Why they are more basic? Why they are very basic means here we have the alkyl chains, and these alkyl chains are pushing electron, and yesterday we explained the alkyl chains are pushing and density is moving towards the nitrogen atom, and these electrons are better available to make a bond with the hydrogen atom, and they are better accepting the nitrogen is better accepting the hydrogen atom. But here there is no alkyl chain to push these two electrons to make available of these electrons. So here the proton is better taken by the nitrogen atom in primary amines compared to ammonia. Ammonia do not have any alkyl group, and here amines contains alkyl group. These alkyl groups are pushing electrons, and the electron density is moving towards the nitrogen atom, and there is a repulsion between this electron density and these electrons. So that's why these electrons are moving away from the nitrogen, and they are better available for the hydrogen to make the bond. So but that is not available in this case. So that is why aliphatic amines are more basic than the ammonia. And why aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia? Aromatic amines, for example here, comparison of aromatic amines and ammonia. So here ammonia, this is the ammonia structure and this is ammonium ion. This is ammonia and this one is ammonium ion. And this one is aromatic amine. These are the ions. This is aniline and this one is anilinium ions. So aniline, this one is aniline, aniline. The 5 electrons and aniline. The benzene having 2 hybrid structures. This is the aniline. This is the aromatic ring. Inside the aromatic there is a resonance. That is the delocalization of 5 electrons takes place from one atom to another atom. These electrons, 5 electrons are shared by all the carbon atoms to get the octet. And this nitrogen atom attached to this aromatic ring. So here benzene has 2 resonance structures. This is one structure of the benzene and this is another structure of the benzene. If benzene is undergoing resonance, the electrons are undergoing delocalization, we can get 2 type of hybrid structures. So the difference, only the difference is the location of electron here and this one is. Anyway, these are the aniline molecules. Aniline, aromatic amine, this is aromatic amines and this is the anilinium ion. Anilinium ion. Anilinium ion is nothing but here the nitrogen has positive charge. Aniline has positive charge. So here resonance lowers the energy content of aniline more than the energy content of the anilinium ion. Here the equilibrium when the ion is undergoing reaction with the hydrogen atom, this aniline converted into anilinium ion. For example, here this aniline, any one of the structure, when it is reacted with the H plus ion, and these structures are converted into like this. If you want to convert these structures into this one, anilinium ion, aniline, the equilibrium has to shift towards the right side. Here the factor, the energy content, whatever the energy here, the delocalization takes place. Due to this delocalization is nothing but the resonance. This delocalization or resonance is decreasing the energy content of the molecule. Here 2 energy contents. One is the aniline energy content and anilinium ion energy content. Here if the molecule contains less amount of energy, that is more stable. Here the anilinium ion contains more amount of energy compared to the aniline. So the equilibrium is always trying to shift towards the left direction. That means less ionization direction. Here the aniline and anilinium ion, both they contain resonance energy. And this resonance energy, if you compare the resonance energy of the aniline with the resonance energy of the anilinium ion contain more amount of energy compared to the aniline energy. So that's why here if the molecule contain more amount of energy, automatically it is less stable. So here the anilinium ion contain more amount of energy, then it is less stable. So that's why the reaction is shifting towards the left direction. So here this aniline is more stable compared to the anilinium ion. That's why it do not undergo, they do not react with the H plus ions. So here the molecule is, aniline is, in this case of aniline is more stable than the ion. What is the ion of aniline? Anilinium ion is the ion of aniline. and anilinium ion is less stable compared to the aniline, so that's why the reaction is shifting towards the left direction and the equilibrium is moving towards aniline side, so that's why it is less, it has less Kb values. It is not reacting with the H plus ion. If it is more, if aniline is accepting more H plus ion, it is automatically a strong base. And if that's why say here, if aniline is better accepting H plus ion, the equilibrium is shifting towards the right direction. It has more Kb values. That means it is accepting more H plus ions. In this case, aniline is not accepting H plus ions, so it automatically has less Kb value. If it is accepting more H plus ion, what happened here? If it is accepting more H plus ion, the equilibrium is shifting towards right direction. It should have, if it is accepting more H plus ion, automatically the Kb values are more. But in this case, the equilibrium is not shifting towards right direction. The equilibrium is shifting towards left direction because the aniline ion is more stable compared to this anilinium ion. So the reaction is moving towards the stable direction. So here automatically if it is direct moving towards the aniline side, there is no acceptance of H plus ion. There is no acceptance of H plus ion. Automatically the Kb values are less only. See here, these are the various resonance structures. And if you consider this one, in case of why aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia, in case of aromatic amine, this lone pair of electrons, here this is the pi electrons, in benzene there is a resonance, always the pi electrons are delocalized from one carbon atom to another carbon atom. In all the carbon atoms they are getting the octet, and all the carbon atoms are getting octet, the molecule is more stable, this aromatically. So when these pi electrons are moving towards this carbon atom, this carbon is getting negative charge. But what about this carbon? This carbon is getting positive charge, and these pi electrons are moving from here to here. So every carbon is getting an octet at the molecule is stabilized. So when these electrons are moving from here to here, this carbon is getting a positive charge. Immediately that is carbocation. Carbocation. So here the carbon is getting a positive charge, and this carbon is called as a carbocation. And immediately what happened? This carbon is connected with the nitrogen atom, and this ring is involved. This inside the ring there is a resonance. That resonance is also this resonance is also taken by the nitrogen atom, because this nitrogen is connected to the carbon atom. And now what happened, due to formation of carbocation as an intermediate during these conversions, immediately what happened, these pair of electrons are shifted and to stabilize the carbocation, and these pair of electrons are involved in the resonance. When these pair of electrons are involving in resonance, there is no lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. The lone pair of electrons are now involved in resonance because of intermediate carbocation formation. There is a carbocation formed during the delocalization of electrons inside the benzene, and to stabilize the carbocation, the lone pair of electrons are involved, and there is a double bond formed between the carbon and nitrogen. Now the positive charge of the carbon is eliminated, and the double bond formed between the nitrogen and carbon, and there is no lone pair of electrons. That lone pair of electrons are utilized to stabilize the carbon. So here, this is the resonance hybrid structures. When the pair of electrons are shifted from here to here, this oxygen is getting negative charge, and these electrons are shifting from here to here. Again, this carbon is getting negative, and these pair of electrons are shifted from here to this carbon. This carbon is getting negative, and these electrons are shifted. Again, this is the resonance structures of the aniline, and the electrons are less available concept is availability of the lone pair of electrons. If electrons are more available, it can better accept the hydrogen atom and it is a better base. It could be a better base. But in this case, there is no lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom to accept the proton, and that electrons are involved in resonance. So, as a result of this one, nitrogen cannot accept the hydrogen atom because it is a positive charge. These electrons are involved in resonance and there is no availability of these lone pair of electrons to react with the H plus ion. And in case of ammonia, here aromatic amines are less basic because they are not reacting with the H plus ion because there is no availability of the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. But in case of ammonia is the lone pair of electrons are available. They are not involving, there is no resonance structures and all. So that's why these lone pair of electrons are available to react with the H plus ion, and it acts as a better base compared to the aromatic bases because there is no availability of lone pair of electrons to accept the proton. And this molecule is not willing to shift from left to right side because the energy content, if this molecule is shifted from this structure to this structure, the energy content of the molecule is increased. If energy content of the molecule is increased, it is less stable. So that's why the molecule is again shifted to the left direction. So it do not accept the protons. And one more reason is the lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance and they are not available to react with the H plus. So anyway, these are the reasons why ammonia is more basic than the water. In case of ammonia, nitrogen is less electronegative compared to the oxygen atom. If it is less electronegative, it can better accommodate the positive charge, and if it is a better accommodating, is nothing but it is better accept the proton. Oxygen is more electronegative, it do not accept the H plus ion and it is less basic. So that's why here water is, in case of water is less basic than the ammonia. Aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia because aliphatic amines contain the alkyl chain and these alkyl chains are pushing electrons and pushing the electron density towards the nitrogen atom, and then this electron pair is more available to react